Avocado salad. This is something I used to make when I used to go to work, and I didn't want to eat the local food, so I just would make something or bring something on my own, and we just bring an avocado and tomato. You can make this on the go, and it's quite filling if you have enough avocado. Want to see how I made it? Come on. So this is a nice snack. It could be a small meal depending on how much you use. And all you need is an avocado and tomato and avocado salad, y'all. And this could be something that you take along with you. So say you're doing a fast, a cleanse, you at work. You need something, you can't go to Popeyes. You can carry this with you in your bag. Alright? All you gotta do is cut it up. I cut these into chunks. Cut my tomato. Wash the fingers. Right. That's it. And of course you can throw in some more things Throw in some seasonings. Throw in some sea salt. Throw in some olive oil and some sea salt as a salad dressing. I'm not going to do that. I've got a little bit of dill handy. I'm going to throw in a little bit of that. There she goes, avocado salad. Alright, if you like this video, please try this at home. And leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. See you later.